According to the guidelines of the Cape Verdean alphabet, the letter H is only used as a part of the digraph LH and NH. This means that the letter H is never used by itself. This also means that certain spellings, such as OMI, H-O-M-I, are incorrect. The H must be a part of the digraph LH or NH. Although a digraph consists of two letters that are joined together, in linguistics these two letters are treated as one letter producing one sound. If you would like more information on the Cape Verdean alphabet or on learning Kabuverdianu, visit our website at www.learnkabuverdianu.com.